Well, it looks like we're visiting the 1920s again in this video, a decade marked by prosperity, cultural change, and a sense of liberation. Now, a decade with such elegance needed a writing instrument to match it. Of course, wooden pencils existed then, but how could you make a pencil with even more style? Introducing the Wall Eversharp, a mechanical pencil developed around 1914. Originally available in gold, silver, or silver filled, this one is the more humble, silver plated model. A cool feature of this pencil is in the twist cap on the end. If you open it up, you'll find a little eraser inside. I was also lucky enough to find a tube of lead from around the same time. Now, it took a few YouTube videos and trial and error to figure out how to load this thing, but I think I finally figured it out. You just put the graphite into the end and put the inside into the outside casing, give it a few turns, and you're good to go. Now, one cool feature about this pencil is as it dispenses the graphite, it actually etches a really fine groove into the graphite itself, and this keeps it from twisting or turning or sliding around as you're using the pencil. I decided to use this pencil to draw an icon from the 20s, a flapper. Women who embraced independence and challenged norms through fashion and a carefree attitude towards social conventions.